Dear students, in this lecture we are going to solve some problems from exercise 9C. So these are the leftover problems from exercise 9C related to methods of differentiation. As we know, there are four types of methods to find the derivatives of the given functions. Now, so from the first Roman, first bit, seventh problem. So this is so find the derivative for the given function. F of x is equals to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Here when x is lies between 0 and 1 by root 2. As we know, the derivative of secant inverse x. So directly you can find the derivative of secant inverse x by using the formula of secant inverse, or you may substitute instead of x in a trigonometric ratio also. So better go with trigonometric ratio substitution. So put x equals to, see here you can observe the denominator. Here this is in the form of 2x square minus 1, means if you replace x with cos theta, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. And x equals to cos theta. Then our f of x will become, so which is secant inverse of 1 divided by 2 into cos square theta minus 1. So from double angle formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1 can be written as cos 2 theta. So it is 1 by cos 2 theta. Now, so 1 by cos, so it is a reciprocal of secant. So then it is secant inverse of secant 2 theta. Now, secant inverse of secant 2 theta. So this is 2 theta. Again, secant inverse of secant theta is theta, right? Instead of theta, then 2 theta is there. So it is 2 theta. So f of x is in terms of theta. But so you need to replace this theta with x. As we know, x is cos theta. Therefore, theta is cos inverse of x, right? Now, so this is 2 into cos inverse of x. Now our f of x is 2 into cos inverse of x. Then derivative is, it is f prime of x is equals to, now it is 2 into derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So into 2 is there. So finally it is a minus 2 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So it is the derivative of secant inverse of 1 by root of, 1 by 2x square minus 1. Now, so from the second bit, third problem. So differentiate the function f of x with respect to another function g of x. That is f of x equals to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and another function g of x is sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now, so here we can observe that so it is in the form of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, and it is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So there are two double angle formulas for tan. So 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta, and 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is again tan 2 theta only. So sin 2 theta in terms of tan formula is there. So better go with substitution. But what do you have to find? Here we need to find the derivative of this f with respect to g, means df by dg. So first you need to simplify this by the substitution. So for f and g, put x equals to tan theta. So here both the substitutions are tan theta only. So then f of x which becomes f of x is equals to, which only, so it is a tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now, so this is tan inverse of tan 2 theta. So it is a tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. So this is 2 theta, means it is 2 into tan inverse of x. Now similarly g of x is equals to sin inverse of, again it is, so for both the functions substitution is tan theta only. So this is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now it is a tan inverse of, sorry, sine inverse of, see this is sine inverse of sine 2 theta, right? So this is the formula for sine 2 theta in terms of tan. Again it is 2 theta, therefore it is 2 tan inverse of x, right? Now so here we need to find the derivative of f with respect to g. So derivative of f with respect to x is 2 by 1 plus x square, so tan of x, so both are same, right? So finally this is df by dx or df by dg. So derivative of f with respect to x is 2 by 1 plus x square, derivative of this g is 2 divided by 1 plus x square, so both are same, therefore the derivative is 1. The derivative for this is 1. Why? Here since the functions f and g are same, therefore the derivative is same. So and so this is the restriction on. So 1 minus x square is between minus 1 and plus 1 only. If x equal to 1 or minus 1, then it will be undefined. So then the restriction is minus 1 to plus 1. If x is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So the next problem from Roman 2 first bit and the fifth one. So we will also find the derivative for the given function. So the function is x to the power of x whole to the power of x, right? Now so this is like a f of x power g of x model. Now so let it be the given function is y. Let the given function can be expressed as y equals to x to the power of x whole to the power of x. So this is like a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So from theory of indices, so a power m whole to the power of n can be expressed as a to the power of mn. So here I am writing this as x to the power of x into x. So x into x is nothing but x square, right? So x to the power of x square is y. Now so this is like f to the power of g form. So we know if the function the y is in the form of f to the power of g, so to evaluate the derivative for such functions we need to consider or taking the logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of y, which is equals to the logarithm of x to the power of x square. Now so this is x square into log of x, since it is like x to the power of m or x to the power of n, okay, right? So this is a log y. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Now so while applying the derivative, so you need to treat this y as x in terms of x. So here it is 1 divided by y. Logarithm of y derivative is 1 by y into derivative of y is dy by dx, which is, now it is u into v form. Now x square into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x square. Now say this is a 1 by y into dy by dx, x square into 1 by x, and so log x derivative is 1 by x, plus log x into 2x. Now so this is a dy by dx is equals to, now so this is cross multiplying this, so y times of x and x will be gets cancelled, so this is x plus 2x into log x, 2x into log x. Now what is y? Y means x power x square. So replace y with x power x square, and here x is common. This is 1 plus 2 log x. 2 log x can be written as log x square also, no problem. So this is so the bases are same, so we can add the power. So x square and it is 1. So finally this is x square, sorry, x power x square plus 1 into 1 plus log x square. So this is also a final answer, or you can write it as log 1 can be written as logarithm of e, base e, right? So that it is log a plus log b is nothing but log of ab. So this is log of e into x square also you can express. So the derivative of this function is x power x square plus 1 into log of x square, or also this is also final, no problem. So maximum extent you can simplify. Now second Roman, second bit problem. So this is x and y are given. X comma x is f of t and y is g of t is given. Means the given function or the curve is parametric curve. Right? Now we know how to evaluate the derivative of a parametric function. That is known as the parametric differentiation. So first you need to evaluate the derivative for x with respect to t and the derivative of y with respect to t individually. So here I am finding the derivative of x with respect to t. So dx by dt is equals to the derivative of cos t is minus sin t. So it is 3 into minus 3 into sin t minus 2 into, then it is cos cube t. So like it is a u power 3, right? So u power 3 means 3 into u to the power of 3 minus 1 2t into derivative of cos t. This is d by dt of cos t. Now so it is minus 3 sin t and so minus and cos t derivative sin t. So it is or you can write it as 6 into cos square t into cos t derivative is minus sin t. Now here 3 sin t is common, right? So 3 sin t is common. Now so this is minus 1 minus into minus plus, so the remaining part is 2 into cos square t. Or you can write it as 3 sin t into, so 2 cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cos 2t, right? So dx by dt is this one. And similarly find the derivative of y with respect to t, that is, and find the derivative of y with respect to t, which is 3 sin t. So 3 into derivative of sin t is cos t minus 2 into sin cube t. So it is 3 into sin to the power of 2t into derivative of sin t, that is cos t. Here what is common? So 3 common and cos t is also common. Cos t times of, so 1 minus 2 sin square t, the remaining part. 3 cos t common, this is the 1, and here minus 2 into sin square t. So finally this is 3 cos t into again the double angle formula of cosine, right? So 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos 2t only. 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta, both are the double angle formulas for cosine. So now we have dx by dt and dy by dt. Now what you have to find? Now we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So this is dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Now so what is dy by dt? This is 3 cos t into cos 2t, this one, divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt is 3 sin t into cosine of 2t, right? So here cos 2t, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now finally cos t by sin t is there, so therefore this is cot of t, cot t. This is dy by dx in terms of t, that is, so dy by dx is cot t. So the next problem, fourth one, that is y to the power of x equals to x to the power of sin y. So the y power x equal to x to the power of sin y. So the given equation is an implicit function y power x minus x to the power of sin y equal to 0, since we cannot express this as y equal to f of x. So here we need to apply the implicit differentiation for this. So before that it is in the form of f power g and it is g power some h form. So you know how to evaluate f power g form. If the function is in the form of f of x power g of x, and we need to take logarithm on both sides. So take logarithm on both sides. For this the logarithm of y to the power of x is equals to logarithm of x to the power of sin y. Now it is log a power m, so it is a m, or it is x into log y. This is sin y into log x. Next, apply the derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Now here you need to treat y as in terms of x. So here u into v is there. So the derivative means it is x into d by dx of log y plus log y into derivative of x is 1. Now this is sin y into derivative of x, log x, plus log x into derivative of sin y. Now this implies, so x into derivative of log y is 1 by y into derivative of y is dy by dx plus log y into 1. This here it is sin y into derivative of log x is 1 by x, fine. Now plus log x into derivative of sin y is cos y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Now so separate dy by dx terms. Here dy by dx is there and here also dy by x. So separate dy by dx terms. So here it is x by y and here log x into cos y. So minus log x into cos y, right, times of dy by dx. Now this is sin y by x. Now without log is, so it is without dy by dx is, this is log y on the left hand side. Now simplify, here it is x minus y into log x into sin y by y into dy by dx. Here it is sin y minus x into log y divided by x. Now so separate dy by dx. Now so dy by dx is equals to cross multiplication of the y. So this is finally y by x, y, and this is x into sin y minus x into log y by the denominator quotation. So x minus y into log x into sin y. I guess here something is missed. See, it is log x into cos y, but log x into sin y result. So it is cos y. So finally this is cos y. Here I am writing with the red pen. So this is cos y. Here also it is cos y. So final answer is dy by dx is equals to y by x times of sin y minus x into log y divided by x minus y into log x into cos y. Next, fifth bit, first problem. If square root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equals to a times of x minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So here x and y are variables and a is a constant. So if we apply the derivative directly, then simplification may be complicated. So better go with a substitution method for x and y. So two variables are there. So you can replace x with some trigonometric ratio and y with, right? So I am writing either sin theta or cos theta. So better go with sin theta or cos theta. So put x equals to sin theta తీసుకుంటాను. So x equal to some, it is sin theta 1 and y కూడా sin తీసుకుంటున్నాను. Y equal to not sin theta, it is sin of theta 2, some other variable, some other angle, sin theta 1 and it is sin theta. Now so replace in this given equation So this is root of 1 minus sine square theta 1, right? Sine square theta 1 plus root of 1 minus sine square theta 2, which is a times of sine theta 1 minus sine of theta 2. Okay, this implies, so this is root of 1 minus sine square theta. This is cos square theta 1 plus root of cos square theta 2, which is a times of sine theta 1 minus sine theta 2. So root of cos square theta 1 is cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2. This is a times of sine theta 1 minus sine theta 2. Now, so here you need to use the transformations from trigonometric ratios. Cos C plus cos D. We have a formula cos C plus cos D, that is 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Here C and here theta 1 and theta 2. Trigonometric ratios to నేర్చుకునే formulas. So in the similarly sin C minus sin D formula. So again it is a 2 into, like it is cross noted. So 2 into a into sin C minus sin D is 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Now here on both sides 2 into cos of theta 1 plus theta by 2, theta 2 by 2, and here also cos of theta 1 plus theta by 2, and 2 also gets cancelled. Now, so the leftover thing is cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, and it is a into sin of theta 1 minus theta by 2. So we can write it as a cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 whole divided by sin of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, which is equals to constant a. Then this is cos by sin, that is cot of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 is a. Okay, now here we can write it as a theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 is equals to cot theta equals to a, means cot inverse అవుతుంది కదా, cot inverse of a. So finally this is theta 1 minus theta 2 is 2 into cot inverse of a. Okay, so this is theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 is x is sin theta 1 and y is sin theta 2. So theta 1 means sin inverse of x, theta 2 is nothing but sin inverse of y. So replace theta 1 with the sin inverse of x minus, see theta 2 is sin inverse of y. This is 2 into cot inverse of a. So sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equals to, so this part. So where this is a constant only, since already an a is constant. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Now the derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square minus derivative of sin inverse y is 1 by square root of 1 minus y square, but y is treated as, or it is a function of x, so we need to differentiate y also with respect to x, which is equals to 2 into derivative of cot inverse a is 0, since cot inverse of a is a constant, derivative of constant is 0. Now so 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square, now which is equals to, in right side transposition, so it is 1 divided by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx, right? Now so the cross multiplication, so that defines dy by dx, so this is root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square, which is equals to dy by dx. Now therefore dy by dx value is, so root a by root b means root of a by b, right? So this can be written as root 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square, hence it is shown, proved. dy by dx equals to root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Now fourth problem. If y equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3 into x square minus continuation minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube divided by 1 minus 6 into x square plus x to the power of 4. Then we need to show the derivative of y with respect to x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So ఇక్కడ మన ఫంక్షన్ చూడగానే ఐడియా వస్తుంది 2x by 1 minus x square. If we replace x with tan theta, then what happens? So it is like a tan 2 theta form. Similarly here it is tan 3 theta. Obviously it is tan of 4 theta. So better go with the substitution method to evaluate the derivative of this function. Otherwise the simplification may be complicated. Okay, so put x equals to tan theta. Put x equals to tan theta in the given function. Therefore it is y equals to tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan inverse of, so this is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is minus tan inverse of it is 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 6 into tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta, tan power 4 theta. Now so this is a tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta, right, plus tan inverse of, so this is a 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan of 3 theta. So multiple angles minus, so tan inverse of this is 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 6 into tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta. So this is a tan inverse of tan 4 theta. As we know, the tan inverse of tan theta is theta, so it is tan inverse of tan 2 theta. It is finally 2 theta. Here it is 3 theta minus tan inverse of tan 4 theta, which becomes 4 theta. So 2 theta plus 3 theta, that is 5 theta minus 4 theta is finally theta. So the value of y is finally theta. Now y is a function of x is given, but the theta is came. So replace theta in terms of x by using this substitution. X equal to tan theta means theta equal to tan inverse of x. So therefore this is y equals to tan inverse of x. Now apply the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So this is dy by dx, and the derivative of tan inverse x is, so obviously it is 1 by 1 plus x square. So substitution చేయడం వల్ల మనకి సింపుల్ గా వచ్చేసింది చూడండి. The derivative of this is otherwise the simplification may be complicated. ఎందుకు చూడండి, tan inverse of x ఫార్ములా అంటే 1 by 1 plus x square, x అన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇదంతా వచ్చేసింది, మళ్ళీ ఇంటూ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ u by v అవుతుంది. So the simplifications are many complications will be exist. Better go with the substitutions. So substitution తెలియాలంటే మనకు trigonometric formulas ఐడియా ఉండాలి. So we need to have an idea about the trigonometric multiple angles, submultiple angles or compound angles. Then from the same fifth problem, if x to the power of y is equals to y to the power of x, then show that dy by dx is equals to y times of x into log y minus y divided by x times of y log y minus x. Now here what is given? The given equation is x to the power of y equals to y to the power of x. So given that x to the power of y equals to y to the power of x, obviously we know x and y both are variables. It is like f power g and g power f form. F power y, g power y. X to the power of x form ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? So we need to use differentiate that function by taking logarithm. So apply the logarithm on both sides, like it is a logarithm of x to the power of y, which is equals to logarithm of y to the power of x. So by power rule in logarithms, here it is y into logarithm of x. This is x into log y. Now, so differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So it is u into v, here also u into v. U and v are different on both sides. So this is y into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of y is dy by dx. This is x into the derivative of log y is 1 by y into y derivative is dy by dx. Y means the y is always treated as a function of x, right? Plus now log y into derivative of x is 1. Now this is y by x plus log x into dy by dx. This is x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Now so separate the dy by dx terms. Dy by dx terms separate. So here dy by dx and dy by dx exist. So then you get left to transpose this in. So finally it is a log x minus x by y into dy by dx. And this is a log y. Right side only log y and y by x left to transpose this one. So it is minus y by x. Now so the simplification here, y into log x minus x by y into dy by dx. This is x into log y minus y by x. So finally this is dy by dx equals to, now cross multiplication y times of x into log y minus y by x into a by b of b by a form. So like it is x into y log x minus x. So if x equals to x to the power of y is y to the power of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is this one, y times of x into log y minus y divided by x into x times of y log x minus x. Next sixth problem from the same bit. If x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is a power 2 by 3, then show that dy by dx is minus cube root of y by x, or it is minus y by x whole to the power of 1 by 3. The given equation is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3, which is equals to a to the power of 2 by 3. So if the power exists then direct ga logarithm apply cheyadam try cheyakandi. See eppudu apply cheyala power lo variable unnappude. So like it is for like f power g or g power f model. Both f and g are variables or functions of x. But it is x to the power of constant plus y to the power of constant, and the right hand side part is entirely a constant. Now so directly differentiate. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Now so this is x to the power of n form, right? So x to the power of n, so means we need to apply the derivative for this and this sum rule. This is 2 by 3 into x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 plus, so same variable power a constant, so it is 2 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 into derivative of y means dy by dx. Y is a function of x kada, andukosam y ki derivative cheyandi, and the derivative of a power 2 by 3, so we cannot write it as 2 by 3 into a to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1, since a power 2 by 3 is a constant. What is the derivative of constant? Right, it is 0. Now so this is 2 by 3 common, 2 by 3 times of x power 2 by 3 minus 1 means minus 1 by 3 plus y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal to 0. So 2 by 3 is a constant. So finally it is y power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx constant transfer now, so which is equals to minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3. Now dy by dx is minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 divided by y to the power of minus 1 by 3. Now we can write it as x to the power of minus 1 by 3 means 1 by x power 1 by 3, right? Minus 1 by x to the power of 1 by 3 avutundi. And y power minus 1 by 3, this is y to the power of 1 by 3 avutundi. So y power 1 by 3 means it is cube root. So finally this is y by x whole to the power of 1 by 3. Sorry, minus y by x whole to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 3, that means cube root, minus cube root of y by x. So the derivative of this equation is minus cube root of y by x. So dear students, so we will see the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.